Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 787 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out another Flesh product. I'm excited to get another product from the brand Flesh in my March 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box, and this is the Fleshy Lips lipstick in the shade Hungry, which honestly that kind of freaks me out, the name of it. Fleshy lips and hungry, but we're just going to move past that because hopefully this will be a beautiful lipstick. So I will have my unboxing video of my March 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box linked in the description down below. But so here is what it looks like. This feels like nice packaging. It has some weight to it, and it does have this bottom part, which here's a little hack. You can pull off the bottom of lipsticks, like tons of different types of lipsticks that have the clear part with like a color at the bottom, and you'll find like some hidden product there. So I found that so fun when I learned that. But so this sounds really nice because it's supposed to just be a tint of color that will add some enhancement to your natural lips. So I'm really curious how this swatches, and whoa, this is a interesting shaped lipstick. Look at that shape, like the top is a different shape and it's flat on one side. It has a retail value of $18. It has nourishing ingredients of rosehip, lavender, and white tea extract, which my lips really need. It's paraben and synthetic fragrance free and cruelty free. So I'm really curious to swatch this. Ooh, it is very beautiful, kind of nude tone with the tint. That's a good amount of pigment, I'd say, for a tint of color. So let's see what it does for my lips. So here is how my lips look before. And I'll do a little split screen so we can see the difference. It applies quickly and easily, like a lip balm. My lips are so dry, so I'm like rubbing them together a lot to really get that moisture all over my lips. Going with a little bit more. I feel like by adding more, it doesn't really add any more color, but I really like this tint of color because I have a bunch of different tinted lip products, but none of them make it that perfect nude lip. Usually they're a pink or a red tint, but this is a great way to get your perfect nude shade, because it adds that tint of like a tannish rose shade to the lips. Whereas I feel like it looks like I have a beautiful nude lipstick on, but really it's just my natural lips with a tint of nude. And it is hydrating, but it's not completely hydrating to all of the dry parts on my lips. Like I feel like I need a little bit more moisture or something underneath this lip tint to completely hydrate my dry lips. But if my lips were not as severely chapped as they are now, this I'm sure would be enough moisture. And it does leave, I would say, like a classic lipstick type of finish where it's not matte, but it's not shiny. So let me insert the split screen so that we can see the difference of adding this lip tint. But I think it's beautiful. This is definitely a very easy product that enhances your makeup look in such a quick and easy way, and I absolutely love products like that. Like this will just add that completed touch to your makeup look where it looks like you applied a lipstick, but really you just added a nice moisturizing lip tint. Whereas I'm actually curious how this lasts. Yeah, like there's transfer, but it's so light in shade that it barely even shows up. but then you can't really tell that it faded on your lips because there's not that much color to be obviously faded. So I feel like this is such like a hack where if you want to wear a nude lipstick but you don't want the hassle of having to find your right shade or have it obviously wear off after transferring. So I am very happy with this. It did say that you could use this as a blush. Now I'm not so sure how good a nude blush is going to look, but I'm kind of curious. I'm gonna go ahead and, oh yeah, this actually is a beautiful blush shade, but it is very subtle, which some people like a subtle amount of blush. I kind of prefer my blush to show up a bit more, but if you really do want just a little touch, it actually is a beautiful blush shade. And it does kind of leave a little bit of shine and glow on the skin, which I always like. Blends out nice and easily. So that really does work nicely as a blush as well. So there we have it. I'm really happy with this lipstick. So like I said, if you're looking for a very easy nude lipstick, I would recommend giving this one a try. If you have tried this out, I would love to hear what you think of it. But thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope that you, your family, your loved ones, everyone you care about are staying safe and healthy. I'd love for you to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on all of the makeup I try every day. So I will see you tomorrow in my next video.